Hello and welcome back to the Master Civil Engineering. In the previous two videos, I showed you how to draw the truss plan for a rectangular building. Okay. And in the second video, I showed you that how to design the individual trusses for the truss plan. Okay. And in this video, we will finally learn that how we will draw the Purlin plan for any building. Okay. So I am taking the same truss plan which I have taken in the video first. Okay, I will post the link to the video first and video second in the description, or you can click at the top right corner of this video to go to these videos and learn how to draw the truss plan for any building and also how to design the individual plan. This video will be only focused on how to draw the Purlin plan for the truss. Okay, so this is the truss plan of my building. First I will delete the inner building lines. Okay, the inner ones are the building line, okay, building plan line, and the exterior one are the truss plan line. So I will delete the building lines, and I will delete these name of the trusses, that is T1, T2 and T3. Okay, to make the plan clean so that we can draw the Purlin plan for my truss. Okay, so delete these. Now the first thing which you have to decide is that spacing of the purlins. The purlin spacing will depend on the roof loading which your roof has to handle. Okay, if the loading is less, it usually varies between 1.5 feet to 2.5 feet. Okay, here I will take the purlin spacing, that is center to center spacing, as 2 feet 0.6 meter. If loading on roof is more, then you can decrease the spacing, take it to 1.5 feet, that is 0.45 meter. If loading is less, you can increase the spacing accordingly. Okay, so these exterior truss lines, these will be my first purlin. Okay, so from these I will draw purlin at a distance of 2 feet center to center. Okay, so click the offset setting, offset. Okay, select the first, and from this at 2 feet you will draw the first purlin. Okay, so basically you will have to divide this purlin plan, sorry, truss plan, into 4 parts. Okay, here part first, part second, part third and part four. After I draw the purlin plan, it will get clear to you. Okay, first we will draw purlins at a spacing of 2 feet. Okay, after this drawing the purlin, you will trim these lines. Okay, that is these lines. You can also delete these inner truss lines because we don't need them. Okay, okay, and delete these trusses also. We don't need these trusses in the plan. Okay, okay, and this will be our top purlin here. So join the ridge. Okay, ridge of the truss. This will be my top purlin. Okay, the first purlin will be at a lesser distance than the other consecutive purlins. Okay, this is the top purlin. It will be common to both sides of the truss. Okay, now what you will do, you will mirror these purlins. Okay, that is, you will draw the same purlins on this side. Okay, because it's a 4-sided sloped truss. Okay, there will be purlins on 4 sides, that is first, second, third and fourth. Okay, these two trapezoids and these two triangles. Okay, so first trapezoid is completed. After this you will draw the mirror command. Okay, mirror, select this one, this one, this one, up to the second last. Okay, press enter, then select the midpoint. Okay, so this completes my purlin for the two trapezoidal portions. Okay, for the triangular portions it's really easy, you just have to connect these lines. Okay, so this will be the first purlin, then this one the second purlin, and similarly you will go on connecting these lines. Because purlin spacing will remain same, that is 2 feet center to center. And finally the second last. Okay, after this you will again use the mirror command to copy it on the other side. Okay, so select this, up to the second last. Press enter, use the midpoint. Okay, so this completes my purlin plan. Okay, so this is the purlin plan for my truss, where each purlin is spaced at 2 feet center to center. Okay, you can easily calculate the lengths of the different purlins. So on one side you can see how many purlins we have, except the ridge purlin, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, so 9 purlins, 9 purlins on this trapezoidal portion, 9 on this, 9 on, and 9 on these two triangular portions. Okay, and length, you can easily calculate the length from the quick command. Okay, you can see the length of each purlin. The second last is, first purlin is having the length of 44 feet, second one it's 40 feet, then 36, 32, 28, 24, 20, 16, and the top one is 16 feet. Top one is 12 feet. Okay, so you can easily calculate the length of the purlins using the measure command. Okay, so this is how you can quickly and easily draw a purlin plan for any truss plan. Okay, you just have to divide the truss portion according to your slopes, then select the purlin spacing. Okay, and then you can easily draw purlin plan for any truss plan. Okay, I hope this video was clear and you learned something new. Okay, so this completes my series of how to draw the truss plan for any building, design truss for any building. This was for the rectangular building. I will show some more videos on square buildings or any other complex shape where you will find this concept explained in step-by-step manner, so that you will become expert in truss plan and truss design. Okay, I hope this series was helpful to you. If you found my videos helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, share this video, and also take the membership of my channel to easily personally connect with me, and I will help you any in any civil engineering problem. Okay, thanks for watching Master Civil Engineering, and stay tuned.